What's going on, you guys? I'm a little late today. I had a few things to do, so I apologize for that. But I wanted to go over, the news and just try to do this daily. We had it was an ugly crash last night. I'd be lying if I said I did if it wasn't. You're just gonna keep manipulating this. It's not gonna slow down. You just have to be strong and hold. It's really what it boils down to. Just think about it as if there was the last pile of gold was just sitting a couple feet away and everybody wants it. They're going to do and say whatever they can to get you not to pick it up because they want it. It's the same thing with Bitcoin and crypto in general. There's only so much of it. And they're smart enough to know that years and years down the road that this stuff is going to be so valuable. So the market cap is at a little over $2 trillion. It was down earlier today. Whenever we did a stream, it was under 2 trillion. I personally do not like to see that. Bitcoin is sitting at 44.9. It's down about 1% today. Ethereum's around 3,300, 3283. Cardano around 243. I don't know what the hell's going on with Cardano, but it needs to start picking up. Everything's going is kind of down for the day, except for Terra's still got a little bit of gains. Litecoin, obviously, which we're gonna get into that. What coin was that? I just saw right here. Okay, Cosmos item is blowing. I said that wrong, but okay. So let's get into the Litecoin thing. Litecoin pumps and dumps on fake Walmart news. Bitcoin, Ethereum react too. Litecoin, the 12th most valuable cryptocurrency by market capitalization, gained more than 36% in less than 1 hour today, after a news report that turned out to be fake said the U.S. retail giant Walmart had entered into a major partnership with Litecoin. The news report, first published as a press release that appeared to come from Walmart, was also picked up by the business news outlet CNBC. Routers, as well as other outlets, which all originally reported it as a real story. In a later correction, CNBC wrote that Walmart spokesman had confirmed the press release is not authentic. The source of the fake press release remains unknown. Excuse me. The price of Litecoin jumped from 174 to 237 on Coinbase immediately following the news, before later giving back almost all of the gains. Litecoin was still up about 4% from the pump before the pump started, trading at 181.60. Moreover, the fake news also appears to have an impact on the broader crypto market, with both Bitcoin and Ethereum rising at the time of the news before a sell-off started around 1345, the same time as the Litecoin sell-off. Litecoin on the left, Bitcoin on the right is what these are right here. Similarities. Walmart's stock price also opened up for the day in New York trading, where the opening of the stock market coincided with the release of the fake news at 1,330 hours. However, the stock quickly moved lower and is currently trading at around $145, about 0.9% below its opening price. We had some tweets up here. Walmart to accept Litecoin would have been awesome. Now, what I personally think is this is going to happen. Somebody just leaked it, and they weren't ready for that information to be out there. I mean, someone didn't just come out of nowhere and say, hey, let's make this rumor up about Walmart and Litecoin. Maybe they did. Personally, I just don't think so. I think that this is probably legit. So I also wanted to talk about this. 11 countries that don't tax Bitcoin gains. Okay, levying taxes on income and capital gains from Bitcoin and however cryptocurrencies is now common. However, there are several countries that are bucking the trend, keen to see how this emerging asset class develops and encourage innovation. Even in these countries, tax laws are subject to change and are often complex. So this is very important. You have to pay your taxes on this stuff. It sucks, and it's going to be you're not going to believe how much it is, but in the long run, it's going to be okay. So tax liabilities is a major source of concern for anyone invested in Bitcoin and other digital assets, and some have described it as nothing short of a nightmare. But while some countries are putting pressure on investors and levying taxes on income and capital gains from Bitcoin transactions, many are taking a different approach, often with the aim of promoting better adoption, innovation within the crypto industry. They've implemented friendlier legislation and also investors to buy, sell, or hold digital assets with no tax liability. So here's a list of the most crypto-friendly tax jurisdictions updated from 2021. Number 1, Belarus. Number 2, Germany. Number 3, Hong Kong. Number 4, El Salvador. They're going nuts over there too. Number 5 is Malaysia. Number 6 is Malta. Portugal is number 7. Number 8, Singapore. Number 9, Slovenia. Number 10, Switzerland. I've always heard, but Switzerland's a nice place. I would love to go there. Number 11, Bermuda. So, I mean, these are all mostly nice places, too. I mean, who wouldn't want to get rich off of crypto and go retire in Bermuda and not pay a penny on taxes? So, also, I wanted to tell you guys about this. I am not affiliated or nothing with these people. I just really like the website. There's a lot of good news. CryptoPanic.com. Really good news. So, and again, I didn't say this in the beginning, but I am not a financial advisor by no means. You should definitely do your own research on anything that anybody says. Period. Just do your own research. And just to show where I'm at, this is about what I got into this. To me, it's a lot of money. That is a lot of money to me. A lot. So, I mean, but look at this. Look at these profits. Been in like a year, like 8 months, 25%. And that's down right now. So this morning it was at 32%. And Cardano is definitely the biggest of my portfolio. So I just want to show because a lot of people don't show. I've got a little bit of everything all over. And so with that, also, I hit 10,000 viewers, and I cannot tell you how proud I am of that. And I really, really appreciate all of your guys' support. You do not have any idea how bad I want this to work, and I want to build a community for us to have people to lean on for advice. And it's just a scary process doing this, and a lot of people don't want to. So, just because they're scared and they don't understand it. If you need help, hit me up. All of my information, it will be down below. If you don't have Webull, Robinhood, Crypto.com, there's a gang of them that I have in my descriptions. If you use my link, I would really appreciate it. Last and least, if you are watching this, thank you. Please hit that subscribe and like button. That's all I ask. You'll be entered into a monthly giveaway also. Thank you, guys.